Hey guys, it's Kate with WTI, and I wanted to talk to you about my Crave Apple charger. So a charger is something that obviously we all need. We have devices, we need to keep them charged up. But if you're like me, you go through a lot of charging cables. I'm kind of hard on my stuff. I often have them break or fray right at the end because I do use my phone while it's charging, and so it doesn't always hold up. So one thing that I love about this one is, do you see that braided cord? It's a nice thick braided cord, really strong right at the end there where I especially need it. So you just know that this is going to last. This isn't some cheap cord that you're going to wear through in a matter of weeks. This will last a really long time. It's 4 feet long, so that's perfect to keep beside my bedside table where I charge my phone at night. I like to plug it directly into my little light that's beside here, and that works great for me, but of course you can put it into a charging box and you'd be good to go. Another bonus is this gorgeous color. So this is a really nice gold. Now you don't need a colored cable, but it's just a nice little bonus to add some flair to an otherwise boring household item. So I really like that you can kind of personalize it and customize for whatever style you like. So if you are looking for a charging cable to leave in your car, to leave in your room, wherever you need it, I think Crave makes a really awesome one. I have no regrets. I think it's fantastic, and that's my point of view.